The Leadership Review is a magazine that focuses on leadership. There is a slant in the overall narrative in the media with regard to leadership, and that is you generally hear or overhear lots of stories about business leadership. Well, leadership is not just business leadership. The narrative is much larger. The scope outside of business is so humongous in the government, in the policing service, in the administrative services, in all kinds of domains, in the non-government service areas. It is so phenomenal. I teach at the Indian School of Business. I'm basically a teacher at heart. And I have struggled with wanting to find robust Indian narratives that can be used to teach people in the classroom as to what comprises the essence of Indian leadership, and have struggled with those narratives. I really have. And we've resorted to narratives outside our own continent, or outside our own subcontinent. If I want to talk about level 5 leader, well, I have to talk about Darwin Smith. I want to bet the bottom rupee in my wallet that most of us would not have heard of Darwin Smith. And therefore the emotional connect with the idea of leadership, with leadership that emerges from the smell of this soil, the leadership that comes from this ethos, something that touches us, bothers us, engages us. So the Leadership Review was set up with that intention.